What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Holy cow, this month has been insane. I've been meeting with various companies every single day for the last month, and I've got a clear winner, and it's official. Guys, I'm signed up, and I'm going to be the new Director of Business Development at BC Group, and that means that I'm going to be reaching out. I'm going to be at many of the events going around next year. It's going to be excellent. And at the same time, I'm going to be interfacing with many of you, visiting your hospitals, and helping many companies and hospitals develop standardized testing. We're going to be using the MyBC app. It uses Bluetooth and it interfaces with various Bluetooth devices that are not just BC groups. And the cool thing is we can implement standardized testing and help you regain some of your efficiency. It's going to be good. 2025 is going to be absolutely excellent. I can't wait, guys. I have been just itching to talk to you guys and tell you the status update because it's been something that's been in the works for a while, and officially now it's December. We can go ahead and release that information. I am currently employed with BC Group. It's going to be fantastic, guys. So anyway, if you have any questions whatsoever about your biomed test equipment, whether you want some more information on your current equipment, on its capabilities, if you're looking to get your current equipment repaired or calibrated, let me know. There's many items that people think that they can no longer get serviced. I can help you out, okay? So write me at abetterbiomed@gmail.com. And if you're looking to purchase some equipment, contact me as well. I'll make sure you get the absolute best deal for what you need, not for what everybody wants you to get, but for what you need. And we'll go ahead and we'll get that for you, okay? So abetterbiomed@gmail.com. Eventually, betterbiomed.com is going to be up, and you can go through. I'm currently implementing an education session where you can go through and you can learn about all the various types of biomed test equipment. So if you are not currently in the industry and you're looking to maybe gain some more information about what you might be walking in on, we're here to help. So it's so cool to finally have these kind of resources and to have a driven team that supports me in my initiative. Is going to be so good, guys. 2025, again, you guys looking for any information whatsoever on biomed test equipment, write me at abetterbiomed@gmail.com and I'll hook you up. All right, thanks for watching, guys. 2025 is going to be real good.